All right, guys, we're out here at Charles Phillips. Address is 1110 Keeneland Drive, Bogart, Georgia. It could be Watkinsville, 30677. We have a repairability assessment here that we're gonna attempt to get this shingle out for repair. I think the prescribed scope of work was 27 hail impacted shingles. So we're gonna start here and get this out. In order to do so, we do have to get all these tabs loose through here. So we'll get started. Here's the shingle we're going to take out. We've already identified where it's at. Already had a nail pull through right here. Just to pull up on the nail head, push down on the shingle. Another nail pull through. Pull through again. Alright. There's more there. Alright, just trying to get this shingle out. Torn nail holes pulled through.
So you got those nails out the way.
Make sure we got all these nails out of the way. Pesky nail in here. There we go. All right. And by our guidelines with the roof snake, try to get it as flush as possible. Trusty roofing hammer. Sure to keep your fingers out of the way. As you can see how crooked.
Gosh.
That was bad. We're gonna take this out. Try again.
Do that one. The old roof snake. Yeah, be sure to watch your thumbs. Now that just created another hole. Another hole for water to come through.
I'm bad at this.
Got another bent nail. Just another hole.
Oh, let me try again. Different angle.
Yeah,
We'll go on over to this so we can secure the shingle at least.
Keep it flush. Straight down. Alright, slide it out.
A little better. You can see.
Beat it on down.
Alright.
Good.
Something on here for your knuckles.
Yeah.
You can see this flush
Yeah.
in there.
Looks like it's pretty flush. Maybe a little crooked.
That one's a little crooked.
This one here, a little bit. But more than some of them, though, I need to get home.
Pretty crooked.
What we'll do is the course above it.
What do you do?
The course above it.
Make sure everything's in here.
You can put some nails up there.
Need some nails. Oh, dented the crap out of that shingle.
Oh yeah, we got cracks and creases already. Manipulation and bruising. We'll get that marked in pictures.
For your band-aids.
We need some band-aids too. Roof snake's dangerous.
Cracking right there. Just where the roof snake is. You can see some cracks.
Beat it down flush. This old tool.
Crooked.
What? Alright, well what we got?
See if we got
Do a granular retention test. Some cracks and creases here.
Part it's hitting the other shingles.
Yeah, and then it's hitting and smashing these shingles here. We'll get this pictured and annotated. But this is a failure.